Listen. Can you feel it? That soft, steady sound inside your chest. That is your heartbeat. Each beat is one moment of your life, not later, not tomorrow, now. While you are listening to me, time is moving. While you are thinking, time is passing. While you are waiting, life is happening without your permission. Think about your morning. You wake up, you grab your phone, you scroll. One video becomes 10. 10 minutes become 1 hour. Then you say, I'll start later. But later becomes never. Time does not stop for motivation. Time does not wait for confidence. Time does not care about your excuses. Every second you ignore is a second you lose forever. This is not just an English video. This is a reminder that your life is active right now. So breathe in, relax your shoulders, and shadow with me. Your life begins in your voice. Time is not a number on a screen. Time is experience. Time is growth. Time is who you become. Every hour you spend creates a version of you. Two people can live the same day. One scrolls, one learns, same clock, different future. 10 minutes of English every day sounds small, but small things repeated become powerful. When you practice, your brain changes. When you speak, your confidence grows. When you repeat, your mouth learns speed. But when you delay, nothing improves. Ask yourself gently, yesterday, did you move forward? Did you speak even one sentence? Did you train your voice? Or did the day just disappear without a memory? Your answer shows how your life is moving. And the beautiful truth is this: you can change direction today, not with pressure, but with action. Many learners say, I will start when I feel ready. But readiness is built, not found. People wait for confidence, but confidence comes after you take action. They wait for more time, but time is already running out. They wait for courage, but courage grows only when you speak. Waiting feels safe, but waiting is what keeps you small. I once met a student who told me, my English is bad, so I just stay quiet. Years passed, and her English stayed bad because silence teaches you nothing. Then one day, she decided to change just one habit, not her whole life, not her schedule, just one small habit. She started speaking for 1 minute every single morning. That 1 minute became 10. 10 minutes became a natural part of her day. And suddenly, English was no longer a fear. It was movement. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to make progress. Say one line, make one mistake, try one time, because the action you take today is the power you will have tomorrow. Learning is never a straight line. Some days you'll feel strong. Some days you'll feel slow. That is completely normal. Think about training your body at the gym. The first day hurts. The second day feels strange. But the third day starts to feel a little lighter. Learning English works the same way. At first, your mouth feels heavy, your brain feels tired, your words feel stuck. But when you practice with shadowing, your muscles learn rhythm, your ears learn speed, your voice learns to flow. This isn't about fast progress. This is about real progress. One sentence every day is better than 10 sentences once a month. So today, just shadow one paragraph. Speak one idea out loud. Repeat one sound. Then tomorrow, do it again. You might fall, but you'll stand up, breathe, and continue. Because movement is what creates mastery. Your biggest enemy isn't grammar. It's that little voice inside your head. The voice that says, I'm not good enough. I'm too late. I can't do this. These words shape how your brain works, but you have the power to rewrite them. Belief is not magic. Belief is training your mind to support you. So instead of saying, I can't speak English, say, I am learning to speak English. Instead of, I'm bad at this, say, I am improving every day. Your brain listens to what you tell it. One student changed only one sentence, she told herself. From I'm afraid to I'm practicing. That simple shift changed her behavior, and that changed her results. So shadow this with me right now. I am learning. I am growing. I am becoming fluent. Say it again in your own voice. Your belief feeds your action, and your action builds your future. Many people live on repeat. Wake up, work, scroll, sleep. They exist, but they don't expand. Your purpose is what gives direction to your effort. Why do you want to learn English? Is it to travel? To earn more money? To connect with new people? To understand the world in a different way? Hold on to that reason, because when your motivation fades, your purpose is what stays. And when your learning starts to help other people, your power multiplies. Teach one person what you learned. Encourage one friend who is struggling. Inspire one child with your journey. Your English becomes bigger than just you, and that is how real, lasting change happens. Now for our final shadowing message. Time is not in the future. Time is now. Your life is not one day. Your life is this moment. So don't wait for the right mood. Don't wait to be perfect. Don't wait for confidence to magically appear. Start small. Start real. Start speaking. One word opens a door. One sentence builds courage. One habit creates a completely new life. Say this with me. I am alive. I have time. I will use it well. Again, I am alive. I have time. I will use it well. Now, take your voice and don't waste another second. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and let's continue this journey together.